Hello my dear colleagues. If you want to learn from beginning these beautiful hairstyles, or if you want to improve your skills and techniques, this course is for you. We will have a theoretic part and after a practice part. We will talk about products and tools and their correct use, how to prepare the hair before each hairstyle, volumes, lines and directions, the main points of the head, types of back combing and when we will do each one, create a base for each hairstyle, a lot of tips and much more. Then in the second part we will put in practice this theoretic part into 12 beautiful hairstyles. So, after you learn these hairstyles, you will be able to combine these techniques and do your own hairstyles, your own signature. So, click here and start this amazing journey with me, Cristina Kocsis, your guide. Thank you very much.